Alright, this is a spot where you make a hard left and then a hard right. If you've been out here, you know what I'm talking about. Let's see if Autopilot can handle it. We're kind of over the line. Whoa! No, it can't handle it.
Flowers.
Yeah, we're on, whoa, Captiva Island. Whoa, okay. So it can't even handle that. That wasn't even that difficult.
Fast.
Well, it usually, see, it won't even let me turn it back on. It usually knows and it'll adjust. It'll lower the speed down if you can't handle it. Oh well. Okay, here's another tight turn right here. See if we can handle this. I doubt it, but we'll try. It's really tight. It's thinking about it. It quit. It quit. It just quit. And here we're approaching downtown Captiva, or downtown, whatever it is.